To get to the brake switch, you're going to have to take this down. You're going to notice that there's a few push clips. Remove all those and get this right out of the way. There we go. That one feels good. Make our way over here. There it is. So we have our new brake pedal switch here. You're going to notice that this area right here is diagonal compared to the direction that it should be in. That's in the unlocked position. When you look up in there at the original one, it's going to be in the locked position. So let's go ahead and grab that and give it a little twist. That unlocks it. Draw it right out of there. Now we're going to take the wiring off of here. Just lift up on that and pull it right out. We have our new switch. Go ahead and install it. Diagonal, right? It's unlocked. Get it up in there. Try to get your square lined up. Once it's in and flat, you'd want to twist it down, but don't do that until it's in and flat. Just go ahead and press on that brake pedal. Slide it in so it's level, and lock it in. Nice. Let's make sure that those brake lights work. So when you look under here, you're going to see this little flippy-do. We want to make sure that this bottom part rests right on top of that. You don't want it hanging down so it's going to get in the way of the pedals. Stick it right in there. It looks pretty great. Tuck it underneath your dash panel. Let's see if we can get it all the way around here. Up over that. Grab your push pins, set those in.